Alright, we're gonna do my long sleeve dresses now. If you oh, what dresses now? Nothing else. But none of like a lot of this stuff. Sergio, thanks for the follow, James. Right, you? Miss Betsy? Fine. I do like those. I haven't done See, I like the fact that I have all this stuff out for like soon. This is like ridiculous. Like, so I'm really gonna wear all that. But now, I don't know. It's all like this. So like before this one's gonna be down. This one's gonna be those are so good. I'm so Hey, what's up? I was there. 6'9". Here, B. You were here. What's your favorite color, John? Oh, thanks. I was there. 6'9". Love your sky pants. What's that, please? Thank you guys for that follow. I guess I'm backwards. LOL. Right. Hey, Scooby.
Are you looking for health insurance?
Scooby.
Georgia's got your
for that follow.
Open enrollment is happening now. Choose your plan at
Why did your mom drink
georgiaaccess.gov today. I'm Georgia's Insurance Commissioner, John Kidd.
Clean dresses. The top, the like bright green. It was with a skirt. fuck? I just sent an invitation to somebody I did not need to. Do not answer the shit. I'm sorry. About that. Here's that bubble. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on soon. I'm gonna wear that. I might wait. But I don't know. This is my favorite bit. I love that song. I don't know why. Thanks, Momo. So, that's really great. Thanks for that. Why is everybody trying to battle now? Because I have hella people in here.
Where's this recipe?
My sister was gonna toss this dress. Oh my god. But I actually liked it. It was cute. I went to work one day. And that shit slayed. They were so bad. You know the bitches were so. Some girl was like, cute dress. I was like, I know. It was free. So, like, shit. Damn dress. I don't know why I had it like that. That was weird. Why I had it hung like that. Is it battle time? Everyone's trying to battle. It's so funny how some people are like so straight up about like only battling. They just get on here and they're like, chat. They don't even like want to say hi. But then when I do it, my freaking cat wants to say. I did that one time because I was drunk. And it was because he kept calling. And I was like, alright, let's battle then. And then my chat was like, is this how you treat your guests? And I was like, no, like, I'm just drunk, I'm sorry. Like, I should have did that actually. And I'm just like, no, I'm just like, it is kind of funny. It is kind of funny. What do y'all think? Because like I feel like the community is important. Yeah. Right. Yeah, so fun. Thanks to Moss, Flashshot, Peace Nelson, User G.